Hello Betternship team, I'm John, and I'm excited to apply for the front-end developer role. As a young and ambitious software developer, founder of HelpPost community, and a passionate innovator, I'm eager to kickstart my career and make a meaningful impact in the tech industry. You might be wondering why this video looks a bit different. Don't worry, you're at the right place. As a creative and innovative developer, I believe in thinking outside the box and showcasing my personality through unique storytelling. As a relentless and innovative front-end developer, I have spent over 5,000 hours perfecting my craft, fueled by an insatiable passion for creating seamless user experiences. With a robust foundation in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, GitHub, TypeScript, React, Next.js, and MongoDB, and some more tools, I've developed a unique ability to transform complex problems into elegant solutions. My technical skills are focused on delivering high-quality front-end solutions. I'm proficient in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Next.js, MongoDB, working with database, Git, GitHub, RESTful APIs, Vite, Ajax, Sass, and Node.js. As a tech creator and content producer, I've also created engaging content on Instagram, YouTube, and Shorts, sharing my knowledge and passion for technology. I'm not motivated by financial gain or opportunities. I'm driven by a passion to make a positive impact. I believe that technology can be a powerful tool for change, and I want to be a part of that movement. One of the most challenging projects I worked on was building HelpPost, an online community platform. When faced with complex problems, I employ a meticulous approach, sitting at the forefront, intensely focused, and driven to resolve the issue. Through this process, I've developed a keen eye for detail, ensuring seamless user interactions and a polished final product. I'm open to negotiation and willing to consider other compensation options that align with the company's budget and expectations. Betternship's mission to connect talented individuals with companies aligns with my own goals. I'm excited about the opportunity to collaborate with like-minded professionals, learn from their experiences, and grow as a developer and innovator. Thank you for considering my application. I'm excited about the opportunity to join Betternship and contribute my skills and experience to the team. I'm confident that my passion for innovation, creativity, and delivering high-quality solutions makes me an ideal fit for this role.